Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk, Primary Maths Concept with Teacher Ben. So please feel free to find out more about us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, and also follow us on Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers, Mathematics and English Hub, so that you will get the updates of our latest video. So now today, let's look at the question of the day. It will be P6 ACS Junior Prelim 2021, Paper 2, Question 12. So let's interpret the question. So machine A and machine B were used to print the same number of cards each. Machine A took 60 minutes to print the cards. Machine B took 90 minutes to print the same number of cards. The faster machine printed 8 more cards per minute than the slower one. What was the total number of cards printed by the two machines? So these are the key phrases that you have to take note. So do take note that both machines actually printed the same number of cards, and the faster machine in this case must be our machine A, right? Because machine A only took 60 minutes to print compared to machine B so that each of them has to print the same number of cards. So the concept for this is pretty straightforward. It's actually combined rates, so it's a rate question. So now let's look at how to go about solving the question. So as I mentioned earlier, machine A took 60 minutes and machine B took 90 minutes. So which means that machine A is faster than machine B by 30 minutes. Now this is a very important information that we're going to use it later. So if we focus on machine A, we know that the faster machine printed 8 more cards per minute than the slower one. So since machine A took 60 minutes to print all the cards, so that means that if both machines, we are looking at 60 minutes, machine A actually printed 480 more cards than machine B. If we just look at both machines at the 60th minute. So what this means also, machine B, since took 90 minutes to print all the cards, after 60th minutes, the next 30 minutes, machine B is used to catch up to print 480 cards. So we can use 480 divide by 30 to find what is the speed of machine B during these 30 minutes. And from what we understand is the speed for printing the cards will be the same throughout the duration. So this means that these 16 cards per minute will be used throughout this 90 minutes. So we know that 1 minute will contribute 16 cards, so 90 minutes will contribute 1,440 cards, and it must be the same number of cards for machine A that is used to print for 60 minutes, right? So to get the total number of cards printed by the two machines, we just need to take 1,440 multiplied by 2 to get 2,880 cards in total. So this will be the answer for this question. So by using this slide here, I'm going to explain to you how we can do some inspection with the information that we have calculated here. Okay, so now since we know that machine B actually took 1 minute to print 16 cards, that means for machine A, for 1 minute, right, the speed of machine A should be 16 plus 8, and that will give me 24. That will give me 24 cards per minute. 24 cards per minute. So if I take 24, if I multiply by 60, that will give me 1,440. So this will match with this number. So this also shows that the answer actually makes sense. Okay, so you can use this as a way to inspect your solution. So there are other things that you have to take note. First thing is you need to ensure that you didn't interpret the question wrongly. Next, please ensure that when you do your question, there's no transfer error. And lastly, all the calculations are calculated correctly. So don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, and also on our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers, Mathematics and English Hub. So feel free to share your question, any question that you want us to actually create a video, and also can comment how you want us to actually improve, or if you have any question, please mention in the comments below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.